Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and for whatever location that I'm reaching you at, greetings. My name is Nathaniel Omar, Executive Business Navigator here at AOC Business Academy. I want to thank you for joining us today for a quick overview on our startup services. So let's get started. AOC Business Academy Startup Consulting Services covers 8 critical areas of business development and management. The 8 areas you can see on the screen. We cover the business startup, executive management, financial consulting, legal liability protection, marketing, office administration, sales, web page, design, development, and deployment. Let's begin by talking about our business startup. Right. Every new entity created on our platform receives 10 vital startup services, which include, but is not limited to, the entity name, search, selection, and registration, along with the domain name, search, selection, and registration. These two are very vital to the actual identity of the company online and offline. Once we have those two secured, we set up your virtual phone and address with your email for your company. Every company has to have a legal structure as well as a management structure. We help you choose that legal structure as well as the management structure, along with assigning executive team roles. Once we have those things secured and laid out, we can decide on who's going to be the registered agent for the business and classify the industry in which you're going to service. Once we have the industry classification, the registered agent, along with the executive team roles, we can write out an operating agreement and a meeting schedule so that we can provide ongoing support to each and every one of our clients. The second area of consulting services that we provide for our clients is executive management consulting. Executive management consulting covers 11 key areas. One of the areas is your federal employer identification number. This is critical to the startup of your business because this number is required for a lot of things that are related to your business entity. Along with your federal employer identification number, we help assist you with setting up your Secretary of State accounts and registering your business online in your state. Your state will provide you an articles of organization along with a certificate of formation with the designation of good standing. When all these things are in order, our executive business navigator will help you navigate your business for the first 12 months. The new business dashboard is available for every new client, and it will have on it your weekly business consultations. One of the first business consultations is your SBA small business plan, along with your press release of your business. So let's get started on the third item. The third item that we're going to cover under our client services is financial management consulting. Financial management consulting is critical to your overall business health. We're not going to cover all of these 12 items that are here on the screen today. We're just going to cover some of them that are important. We're going to start with your business bank account. Your business bank account is critical to separating your personal and business liabilities. You don't want to have your personal transactions on your business transaction reports. So you want to be able to separate that so that they can know that the person and the business are separate. In today's environment with mobile digital transactions, you're going to need to be able to accept credit cards, whether that's a debit card or a credit card. You're going to definitely need to be able to accept cards that have Visa, MasterCard, Discover, AMS logos on it. So you're going to need merchant card services. We help you with that. Another key area is that you're going to need to pay yourself. That means that you're going to have to position yourself to be on your own payroll. We help you set up your payroll as well as your accounting records so that you may be able to have financial records and reports that can be printed on a monthly as well as a quarterly basis so that you can determine what the financial health of the company is. Another key area is that you're going to need ongoing financial support for the company. So we help you set up yourself to receive grants and loans for the Small Business Administration as well as other entities. We also provide to you rollover services if you have a 401k or other retirement accounts that you want to utilize to help you finance your business operation. So let's go into item number 4 on our consulting services. The fourth service that we offer on our platform is legal compliance management. Some of these things we've already covered earlier in the presentation, such as your federal employer identification number, the state entity ID, articles of organization, and your certificate of formation. All four are critical to legal compliance when it relates to your business, but they're not more important than filing your annual report and your sales tax report. We help you do those reports on a quarterly, monthly, or an annual basis. Just determines what your state requires. Let's go into item number 5. The fifth area that we will discuss today is our marketing management consulting services. We help each and every one of our clients grow their business operations by determining the right people, place, and price to promote the product or service to maximize their profitability and their brand awareness in their markets. With every one of our clients, they also receive a 5,000 piece targeted data list along with a call center agent seat and campaign to jumpstart their business in the first 60 days. Let's go to item number 6. Okay. Office administration is the sixth area that we will discuss today in terms of our consulting services. We provide our clients with essential office management services such as sending invoices, paying office bills, preparing payroll, submitting timesheets, completing or submitting financial records, and maintaining financial reports that are necessary to file taxes and annual reports with the state. The seventh area of discussion today is our sales management consulting. Our sales management consulting covers many different areas. Today we're only going to be highlighting our 360-degree call center activity. Our call center comes with many things, but not limited to marketing research, business and consumer data, the predictive sales dialer, call center agents, daily call campaigns, client management, workflow management, and reports. We'll go into more detail once we have you on board as a client. The eighth and final consulting service today that we will discuss is web design and development. Our web design and development projects include, but is not limited to, 15 essential services. So let's discuss a couple of them. First, we'll do the domain name search, registration, and propagation of your website so they can be visible online here in the States and around the world. We do privacy and security of your website as well as host it on private servers. For all of our clients that are looking to have a quick installation and want to utilize the 60,000 plus plugins on WordPress, we'll do the WordPress quick installation along with your email account setups. And we back that site up for you and do all the updates. So updates happen almost daily when it comes to WordPress and your plugins, and we'll make sure your site is up to date so that it doesn't have any unwanted intrusions. Every website development project comes with a website builder, and so you'll get up to 7 pages that we will build for you, okay? Along with a graphic design and logo for your website. But these are a couple of things that we wanted to talk about a little bit today. We'll go into more detail once you come on board as a full-term client. Thank you. To get started with our consulting service is a 7-step process. Step 1, complete the registration form. Step 2, schedule a consultation and meet with a business navigator. Step 4, create your user account, determine your service start date, and number 6, pay your invoice, and lastly, activate the startup service. This brings us to the end of the presentation. I want to say thank you for joining me today. Again, my name is Nathaniel Omar. I am your Executive Business Navigator. If you need to get in contact with us, you can reach us at 520-329-7277. We are on Pacific and Mountain Standard Time. Look forward to hearing from you, and you have a wonderful day. Thank you.